Hello guys, this is Subhan Arshad and this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today I am going to review the all new Honda City RS, which is not launched in India, but we are expecting to launch it in India. So Honda is set to launch the all new 7th generation Honda City sedan in India by end March 2020. While Honda has only teased the car for India, we can expect it to be mostly similar to the model already on sale in Thailand, as you can see on your screen. So what's new? A completely new sleek exterior design inspired by Civic sedan with wide all LED headlamps and tail lamps, taut body lines and an actual increase in dimensions that make the city look bigger and more premium than before. The interior design has received a complete overhaul too. We do not know if Honda will take the effort to create a new design for India spec model, as the older design looked more exciting. The Thailand spec model gets a new dashboard design, taller AC vents, larger infotainment screen, simpler instrument cluster and steering wheel. Honda is ready to cater to a growing demand for safer cars in India. Hill start assist and ISOFIX child seat anchor points will be offered along with features already on offer on the older model, including 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, which is known as automatic braking system, and vehicle stability controller will be also offered, automatic dimming IRVM. Drivetrain specifications have not been revealed, but we expect the Honda City to be powered by a familiar set of 1.5-liter naturally inspired petrol and turbocharged diesel engines, albeit in their BS6 compatibility versions. Rumors suggest Honda could add a mild hybrid system to the petrol engine to improve efficiency and lower emissions. It could also cash in on the popularity of the Amaze diesel CVT and offer the same configuration in the city too. Once launched, the new Honda City will resume its tussle for supremacy against the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. Through the bigger battle is to stay relevant in an era where SUVs are increasingly becoming the go-to choice for a lot of customers willing to spend around 15 lakhs on a car. But there is no sunroof in the Thailand model, so Honda should put the sunroof in the Indian model. The current Honda City which is coming, the length of the current Honda City is 4440 millimeter, width is 1695 millimeter, height is 1495 millimeter, and the engine which is currently coming in the Honda City produces 118 bhp on 6600 rpm, and maximum torque output is 149 newton meter on 4600 rpm. The current Honda City gives the mileage of 18 kmpl. It also gets so many features. If we talk about the safety, it also gets 6 airbags, as the new generation will get seat belt warning system, child seat anchor points. These all features will be offered in the next generation also. With ABS with EBD will be also offered. Engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing door lock, child safety lock would be also offered on the new Honda City. Bigger air vents will be offered in the Honda City, but there is no rear AC vent at the Thailand model. But the Honda should give rear AC vents for the Indian market, as I think. There is reverse parking camera with guidelines, which is on the present also. Rear parking sensors. It will also get cruise control, headlight off and ignition key off reminder, keyless start. The steering adjustment, the current Honda City gauge tilt and telescopic. There will be also there in the new Honda City. Three 12-volt power outlets in the next generation of Honda City. The seats which are currently adjustable in the currently buying Honda City is 6-way manually adjustable co-driver side seat and 8-way manually adjustable driver side seat. Seat upholstery is now coming on the current Honda City is of leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear knob. There is driver armrest. Interior is of dual tone black and beige, and the boot space which the car is carrying with it is of 5,100 liters, which is a very huge space for a car. All 4 power windows will be offered. One touch up and one touch down will be also offered. Adjustable ORVM and retractable ORVM. Turn indicators on ORVM. And stylish pedals, foot pedals. Interior door handles are chrome, but the exterior are body colored. This current Honda City gets a electrical adjustable sunroof. I also hope the all new Honda City should also get a sunroof. Roof mounted antenna. The light system which the current Honda City offers is daytime running LED, fog lights, headlights, automatic headlamps, tail lamps, cabin lamps, headlight adjuster, glove box lamp and rear reading lamp. This all should be offered in the new Honda City also. There should be a digital meter in the Honda City which will show average fuel consumption, average speed, distance to empty, clock, low fuel level warning, door ajar warning, adjustable cluster brightness, gear indicator, tachometer, instantaneous consumption. The current Honda City gets Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, integrated music system, displays touch screen, GPS navigation system, 6 plus speakers, not screens, sorry. But the Honda City, which is the new Honda City in Thailand, gets 8 speakers in the Honda City. But now the car in India, which is currently on sale, gives 6 or 6 plus speakers, USB capability, Bluetooth capability and MP3 playback, more features as the car offers. So this is all about the current Honda City, and the next generation Honda City would be more aggressive than this, but they should also launch the RS variant which they have launched in the Thailand. As you are seeing on your screen, you have seen the RS badging on the front and the rear. There will be only red colored offer in the RS variant. So the colors the current Honda City is coming with is golden brown metallic, modern steel metallic, lunar silver metallic, radiant red metallic, white orchid pearl, and the price of the present Honda City of this variant is 14.53 lakh, and the base model of the Honda City is of 10.13 lakh ex showroom. The prices I have told you are all of ex showroom. Don't think these are on road prices. These all are ex showroom prices of the currently selling Honda City, not the next generation Honda City. So if you like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any query related to Honda City or any other car, so comment your query in the comment section. I will be there to respond your comments. thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog or next review of any car. Tell me which car you want to reviewed by this channel. Thank you so much. Till then, tata. Bye bye. Special thanks to